Hello, I'm Juliet, and in this video I will talk about the Y balance test. This test evaluates balance and dynamic stability. Throughout it, it's possible to identify asymmetries and deficit on the function of the lower limbs, establish balance training program, and evaluate their effectiveness. On the floor, we have three tapes in three directions, that for and Y, and the posterior lines have an angle of 135 degrees related to the anterior line. This allows us take the measurements in three directions: anterior, um, posterior medial, and posterior lateral. It is the right leg. The person must be barefoot with his arms on the weights, the heel of the standing leg on the intersection, while the other leg is going to go first to anterior, then posterior medial, and then posterior lateral. The test will be cancelled, and we must repeat it if you lose the stability, make excessive movements with your trunk, or you put your leg on the floor. Also, if you slide your leg. And if you remove the hands from your weights. To start, the person lie on their back. We are going to take the measurement of his leg. Can I touch you?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm going to touch the iliac crest and until his medial malleolus is 81. 4 test attempts were offered, but the person feel familiar with the test. Now we are going to three measurements with each leg and in each direction. I'm going to use two colors for identify the distance which is leg. Okay, when you feel ready, you can start.
Okay, go ahead.
Now the right leg. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are going to take the measurement for each direction. This is the anterior line from the intersection to the distance which is leg. The brown lines for the left leg and blue lines for the right leg. Okay. Now for the posterior lines, the same from the middle point in the intersection, and we are going to take here the three distance for each leg. And now the other side. You can see the three distance. Once we have all the data, we proceed with the calculations. With the three measurements for each direction, we add them and divide by 3, obtaining the average. Then, with this number, we divide by the length of the leg and multiply by 100. And this form we obtain the results for each direction with each leg. We can compare this data with the average value or simply record them for reevaluation purposes.
with this, we finish the test. And thank you.